Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix on Printify. So first, you may want to head over to wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the search bar found at the top corner of your screen, you can just start typing Printify. Then in the search results, click on Printify. This will redirect you to the apps page, and from here all you have to do is add Printify to your site. Just click on add to site. A new window will then pop up asking to grant access permissions, so make sure that you read the terms and conditions, then proceed by clicking on agree and add. You will then be redirected to Printify, and all you have to do to connect Wix is start by giving your store a name, then proceed by clicking on connect. Everything should work smoothly as long as you're also logged into your Printify account. And just by that, we have successfully connected Wix on Printify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!